Hello, it is my oral presentation English level 2. First of all, introduce myself. To talk about my trip experience in Sacramento. Then about talk the weather in Sacramento. And finish talk recommendations if you go to Sacramento. Let's start. This is my name is Esperanza Alarcón Campos. I was born in Bogotá and I live in Bogotá. I am a pensioner and my family is composed of 4 members. I have a beautiful grandson. I live with my husband, my youngest son, and my dog. I like to ride a bike, read, sleep, and study. Okay, let's continue with my trip experience in Sacramento. Okay. Okay. One moment. One moment, please. Okay. Last vacation, I went to US, stayed there for the month because I went to visit my family. I like it because it was cheap. I almost did not spend money because my brothers did not let me spend money. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. I will be back. The weather in Sacramento, the day season is in summer when the weather is hot, dry, and sunny. The winter is December and February. In Sacramento, you can enjoy the different seasons. It's just wonderful. Tips to go to Sacramento. It is very important that the traveler has a visa. Visit the California state capital. Visit the old Sacramento. Always remember to be warm because in Sacramento, temperatures are very low. Should or should don't. People should go to California State Railroad, missing and Old Sacramento. People should don't go to Fairy Tale Town because it's a place for the entertainment of children. Thank you.